Hey friends, if you encounter the error where Windows 11 cannot see other computers on the network, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then go to the network and internet tab, go to Wi-Fi, select the network and change it to private network. This is something you have to do on the other computer as well. So this has to be done on each and every computer, because if it's selected at public network, it will not be discoverable. That's what's written here. There's one more thing about services. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the I section, and there's something called as internet connection sharing, ICS service. Right click on it and start it. This is very important, and this should definitely fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then let us know in the comment section of the video. If not, then let us then still let us know so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.